Mina, what's wrong? You look like you just saw a ghost.
I think I did. My headings just disappeared from this report. 1 second they were there, and now, poof!
Let me see. You used white text on a white background. That's why they're invisible.
Oops. I didn't even notice.
Formatting isn't just about making things look nice. It makes information clear and easy to find.
Hello, kids! This is Captain AHS. Have you ever seen a document that looks messy and hard to read? Complex formatting helps organize text, making it clear and professional. Today, we'll learn how to use styles, spacing, and alignment to create well-structured documents.
Baba Ali, what smells so yummy?
Ah, Mina. I'm making my secret chocolate chip cookies. But I lost my recipe.
Oh no! How will we find it?
Luckily, my magic recipe book uses bold, italic, and underlined words to help us. Let's open it. The important words are bold, the secret ingredients are italic, and the tricky steps are underlined.
I'll help you read it.
Great! What does the first step say?
Add 2 cups of flour and 1 pinch of magic sugar.
Perfect. What's next?
Mix gently and add chocolate chips, but not too many.
Thanks to the magic formatting, our cookies will be ready soon. Let's taste them together.
Yum! Complex formatting is delicious.
Saro, why do you look so serious?
I just got this important document from work, but it's a mess. Everything is plain text, and I can't tell which part is a heading, which are the instructions, or what's just extra information.
That's easy. We just need some advanced word processing skills to clean it up.
Advanced? Like what?
Let me guide you. Firstly, add the proper heading that will make the text stand out. Select the first line and click on heading 1 and select the texting style, and do the same thing with the subheadings as well. Now, we need to make lists easier to follow. Now select the text and add bullet points to make it look organized, and also you can add numbers. There are different styles, whatever you want to select to make your document good. This part lists different nutrients and sources. Let's insert a table so we can see everything neatly. For the final touch, let's highlight urgent details in red and add a border around important sections.
This is really advanced formatting. Everything is easy to read now.
Now this document looks clear, professional, and easy to read.
Mina, what's wrong? You look like you just saw a ghost.
I think I did. My headings just disappeared from this report. 1 second they were there, and now, poof!
Let me see. You used white text on a white background. That's why they're invisible.
Oops. I didn't even notice.
Formatting isn't just about making things look nice. It makes information clear and easy to find. Let's fix this.
Phew! That's better. But why did the paragraphs look all jumbled up?
Your text isn't aligned properly. See how the paragraphs are uneven? Try justifying them to make them look neat. And don't forget line spacing. Too much or too little can make a report hard to read. Try adjusting it to 1.5 spacing.
Formatting is like organizing a messy room. When everything is in the right place, it just makes sense.
Exactly. And a well-formatted document helps readers understand information quickly and clearly.
It's time for the quiz. Which of the following is an example of complex formatting in a document? Option A, changing the text color to red. Option B, using tables, columns, and headers. Option C, making the text bold. Option B, using tables, columns, and headers. What tool is used to apply the same formatting to multiple parts of a document? Option A, font size. Option B, format painter. Option C, line spacing. Option B, format painter. Why would someone use a table in a document? Option A, to organize data in rows and columns. Option B, to add pictures. Option C, to create a new page. Option A, to organize data in rows and columns. What is the purpose of using columns in a document? Option A, to write longer sentences. Option B, to arrange text in a newspaper or magazine style. Option C, to make the text smaller. Option B, to arrange text in a newspaper or magazine style. What feature helps you keep the same text style across multiple pages? Option A, page break. Option B, header and footer. Option C, find and replace. Option B, header and footer. Great job learning about complex formatting. But what if we need to list ideas or steps in an organized way? Up next, we'll explore how bullet points and numbering make information clearer and easier to follow. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.